Vibration diagnostics is one of the main ways to troubleshoot and evaluate the technical condition of a machine's assemblies and mechanisms today. You can use it to prevent critical and irreversible damage of equipment. The vibration monitoring module of the MDCplus can be used to track parameters, which characterize the technical condition of mechanical assemblies of a CNC machine. Signals from vibration sensors installed in the motor spindle unit or other key elements of the machine are used for condition monitoring. Signaling protocols for IFM Germany, SKF Sweden, and VISM Russia sensors are currently implemented. The MDCplus vibration monitoring module consists of the server and the client components. The server part is based on directories of objects and devices. The server contains the main motion drive mechanical assembly for vibration diagnostics. Objects which characterize components of this module are specified in the settings. Any mechanical assembly or rotary component can be subject to vibration diagnostics, such as bearings, spindles, gearbox shafts, gear and belt transmissions, couplings, the main drive motor. You need to select the vibration diagnostic object to configure signal measurements. The coupling is selected as the object in this example. If we open the vibration monitoring equipment directory, we can see 3 devices there, 2 VS357 units and 1 VSE100 unit. The tabs in this section contain the basic settings required for vibration signal monitoring, and you need to customize the input parameters yourself. In this example, an incoming signal to digital input triggers shift-based diagnostics. You can use passport-rated data of equipment assemblies to configure the numerical parameters. Define the vibration and collision levels in the MDCplus, which must be exceeded for an emergency warning or an accident to occur on the machine. The vibration diagnostics device is installed on the machine you select. You need to use these measurable parameters and formulas to define conditions or downtime reasons relevant to changes in vibration signals. In the event of an emergency, a pre-emergency, or an emergency, an alert is sent to responsible persons who are to take immediate action. The client part of the module consists of 3 main sections. The monitoring section contains the scheme of the machine. The user can edit the scheme as appropriate. It displays mechanical assemblies of the machine and corresponding objects of vibration diagnostics. Thus, you can analyze the operation of each machine assembly in real time. The vibration diagnostics signals section provides you with real-time data on vibration diagnostic signals from each object. You can use it to track the correlation between any changes in vibration signals and design rates for any user-defined period, a shift, a week, a month. In this example, you can see a collision on one of the devices enabled for vibration monitoring. The vibration monitoring screen section displays real-time values of measured objects of vibration diagnostics. The position of the dial pointer shows the signal strength relative to the warning and accident levels. The right part of the window displays real-time data measured for the objects selected in the table. You can see the spindle rotation speed in the bottom if the vibration diagnostics device is associated with a particular machine. Compare the 2 signals to find out how changes in spindle rotation affect the vibration state of the machine. Proper configuration of instruments minimizes the time between the collision and the moment when the output emergency signal of the instrument is triggered. You can pass this signal to the machine controller to perform emergency shutdown. You can use the vibration monitoring system to control and monitor CNC machine mechanisms and other processing equipment. This module can be used to detect any exceeding of the vibration level in good time and take measures to prevent the failure of expensive equipment, thus saving hundreds of thousands of rubles for the company. Technical support team as well as sales manager are ready to give detailed information by telephone +358 09 3158 9580 or Passelankato 2 00240 Helsinki. Digitize at mdcplus.com and at the company website mdcplus.com.